Hi, my name is Kealan Hand. I work with the ICBF and I'm also farming part-time at home with my father. Today we're in Elphin Mart, County Roscommon, to go through how to use the ICBF Mart Tracker. A simple yet effective tool that lets you see what's for sale before you head to the mart. Before the sale, either at home or even in the Mart canteen, just go to the ICBF website and select Mart Tracker from the menu. Once you're in, choose the mart you plan to visit. For example, today we see there are over 250 suckler bred animals entered for the sale here in Elphin. For today's demo, I'll search for suckler animals. We can see there are over 250 suckler entries available. Next, I'll use the filter option to display only animals that are SCEP eligible. From here, you can view useful details such as lot number, age, and breeding indexes, helping you quickly identify the animals that best suit your needs. By looking at the ICBF Mart Tracker in advance of the sale, farmers can easily note the lot numbers they are interested in and rule out animals that aren't suitable. This helps to save time at the mart or during online bidding, making the whole process more efficient and productive. The ICBF Mart Tracker helps you plan ahead, save time and make more informed choices, all before the cattle step into the ring. If you have any questions on the ICBF Mart Tracker, give us a call at any stage on 023 882 0452.